Here we go again. Morning workout inspiration, sharing this beautiful time out in nature. One of the best ways to be able to connect with our animals here and on the other side of life is through balance. Being out in nature is a wonderful way to balance. Step outside, take a nice deep breath, touch your forehead, feel that sensation, touch your heart, feel that sensation, touch your core, or in their system of Reiki we call it the Hara. Head, heart, Hara. Take a nice deep breath, feel balanced. Do this every day for 21 days and watch how quickly you can connect with animals.